अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूँ फरहीन और मेरे साथ हैं
Again.
Why are you so low on energy?
बोल के मेरा नाम याद होना चाहिए. I think I should do the intro for a change.
हाँ. So today we are with like almost new segment that is हमने कहा कि क्योंकि हमें बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट है कि किसने क्या पहना और क्या
सबको
ट्रेंड
इंटरेस्ट. I
कर रहा
think women
था.
love it.
So we are here with who wore what. और I think हमारा जो mutually जो number one जो हमने pick up किया that was Ayman and Minal.
की जो
बात
looks
पक्की
थी.
एमन थी कि मिनाल थी. I get confused.
मिनाल खान बात पक्की look.
मिनाल खान की बात पक्की थी और एमन उनकी बहन उन्हें कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करी. ओके, मिनाल खान की बात पक्की लोग. मैंने जो पहली नज़र में देखा एमन आई तो लव्ड इट.
मैं तो आई वाज एक्चुअली इससे पहले ईद से पहले भी यू नो व्हेन वी वर डिस्कसिंग दैट हम जब प्री वीडियोस कर रहे थे ईद से तो आई वाज शोइंग यू दिस ड्रेस एज वेल. हम ज़ारा शाहजहां पे वैसे भी
It was a Zara Shahjahan dress, a beautiful three piece.
See, this is why I say, you know, she was disagreeing with me in one of those videos कि अच्छा इतना price tag हुआ and I was like Zara does something that catches your attention. So I think she took this monochromatic look to a new level because you know you had print in three piece.
Print three piece और organza का दुपट्टा. I think it looked really elegant and graceful.
Organza का दुपट्टा वैसे भी आपको
बहुत
it has a lot of structure तो वो देखने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है.
बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहा था. अच्छा मुझे I think पता नहीं शायद ये वो होता है कि आप इतने देख लेते हैं just one look at it and I knew it's Zara Shahjahan. वो बहुत प्यारे लग रहे थे और आई थिंक हमारी सेलिब्रिटीज़ में ये बहुत ज़्यादा इतना ज़्यादा ट्रेंड नहीं है. मतलब मैंने नहीं देखा कुर्ता शलवार और दुपट्टे का यू नो और वो भी आप किसी अपने सेरेमनी टाइप उसमें पहने. और
आई रियली लाइक द फैक्ट दैट मिनाल वोर समथिंग दैट वाज recognizable जो आपको देख के पता चल के कि अच्छा we can get it from there. Good publicity for the brand though.
Absolutely.
Secondly, I think the price tag was reasonable as well. Not really reasonable, but I think it lies in the comfort zone.
10 to 15k,
which is also again
reasonable for some, very unreasonable for other people. So ये भी
but also it's like a stitched piece. मतलब it's ये इनकी Pret series में से है so there is that as well. So I was excited to see that. और
I think वो बहुत compliment करी थी अपने fiancé के साथ जिन्होंने एक काला शलवार कुर्ता पहना हुआ था with the खेड़ियाँ. You know my weakness for it.
Everyone's weakness for that. National weakness है वो. हाँ,
so it was simple. Really good.
It was cute.
I was really happy for them. मुझे वो खुश साथ था कि जो cute pictures थी वो बहुत adorable लगी.
For some reason I really like Minal too. I'm not that much of a Ayman Khan fan. I think उनकी following ज़्यादा है.
I really hope कि उनकी बहन की तरह 10-15 महीने की जो है वो शादी ना चले because I was done with it. It was all a publicity stunt. मतलब आखिर में आपको पता चल जाता है.
I am actually sort of against that in a sense कि हमें होना चाहिए you know just let people celebrate the way they want.
लेकिन इमरान खत्म तो होनी चाहिए ना. There should be a full stop somewhere.
लेकिन उनका ये है कि I still think कि जो celebrities even बात पक्की वाला जो था वो very simple event kind of जो trend है that is something that will motivate other people to do that. और of course हर किसी के लिए consequences different होते हैं तो शादी सेलिब्रिटीज़ के लिए शायद इतनी फाइनेंशियली वो नहीं होती है बट फॉर यू नो हमारी जो मेजॉरिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तानीज़ है वो अगर वो ट्रेंड चेंज होता है तो यू नो दे विल बी मोटिवेटेड टू गो फॉर सिंपलर वेडिंग्स. वो फाइनेंशियल बर्डन से उनको.
अच्छा आई वाज टॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड देयर लाइक अभी तो उनकी एंगेजमेंट हुई थी तो ये क्या सीन है.
ओके हाँ दैट वाज एंगेजमेंट के बाद बात पक्की.
नहीं आई थिंक तो पहली उन्होंने जो पिक्चर्स पोस्ट की थी अपने रिंग के साथ दैट वाज जो उनके फियांसे ने उन्हें प्रपोज किया.
हाँ आई फील द सेम वे.
उनके फियांसे ने उन्हें प्रपोज किया था वो वाली पिक्चर्स थी. नाउ दिस वाज द बात पक्की. The list goes on and on.
आगे we don't. In fact, इस पे भी people gave them, you know, they met a lot of criticism because you know Minal was very public about her relationship पहले भी. You know they would post pictures and तो people were उन्होंने उसके नीचे भी comments काफ़ी किए हुए थे and then Ayman gave them a shut up call as well.
You know it's like कि हमारा एक happy moment है let it be happy and रंग में भंग डालने की ज़रूरत नहीं. मुझे तो वैसे भी इतनी उलझन होती है Ayman when someone is happy और आप एक उसका कोई अजीब सा moment लेकर ले आएँ और
I think हाँ social media is
confront this. I think this is very inhumane. और लोग जब खुश हों तो उन्हें खुश रहने दिया जाए और उनकी खुशी में शरीक हो जाए.
But हाँ थोड़ा सा हमारा है ना ये मसला कि when we see that you know celebrities and all we feel like they are public property.
हाँ
आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं.
उन पे कमेंट करना, उनकी ड्रेसिंग पे कमेंट करना, उनके रिलेशनशिप्स पे कमेंट करना हम अपना हक समझते हैं.
Although हाँ वो हम समझते हैं कि हम पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं है to be a little kind. Because एक तो you know thousands of comments में आपके comment को कौन कोई देखेगा. You get to channel your.
Plus आपकी anonymity होती है ठीक है. You're anonymous. Nobody is really going कि आपका हाथ पकड़ के आपसे पूछे कि आपने comment क्यों किया.
And most of these comments actually come from accounts जिनकी अपनी DPs नहीं होती हैं. They have you know if you notice that.
और आप तो Free Palestine वाले DPs.
फ्री
And
पैलेस्टाइन
so
हो
many accounts following and I'm like ये एकदम से सर कहाँ आ गया फ्री पैलेस्टीन DPs you don't
तो वो आई गेस कि वो जो है ना उनको कुछ रिस्क पे नहीं होता बट आई थिंक इट टेक्स अ टोल ऑन पीपल जो कि चाहे वो सेलिब्रिटीज हैं जो भी यू नो दे आर नॉट काइंड ऑफ इम्यून टू इमोशंस मतलब दे स्टिल फील दे आर स्टिल वल्नरेबल तो आई थिंक इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अ लिटिल काइंड एंड एमन एक्चुअली वाज लाइक ओके स्टॉप
ओके एमन का जो एक और जो बिग फैन वो था हार्ट मोमेंट था आई थिंक दैट वाज गाना लीज ड्रेस बिकॉज शी रियली लाइक्ड इट आई वाजंट अ वेरी मच ऑफ अ फैन ऑफ इट बिकॉज मुझे लगा उसकी कोई स्टेटमेंट वो नहीं था
आई पर्सनली मेरे साथ ये है कि आई एम मुझे ना आई थिंक इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ दी लाल लाल हर जगह देखे ऑल्दो आई लव रेड ब्राइडल्स इसमें वो बात नहीं बट आई थिंक बिकॉज यू सी सो मच ऑफ रेड इट्स हार्ड टू यू नो इट्स हार्ड फॉर समथिंग टू रियली कैच योर अटेंशन तो आई रियली लाइक सॉफ्टर कलर्स वैसे ब्राइडल्स में यू नो
आई थिंक शी हैड अ वेरी नाइस ड्यूई लुक वन पे काफी वो
आई
fresh
लव हर
लगी।
मेकअप दैट्स व्हाट
Fresh
बेसिकली
लगी।
हाँ दैट्स व्हाट
इवन
बेसिकली
उनका जो नेक पीस था और ज्वेलरी थी वो भी बहुत खूबसूरत थी
और द इंटायर मेकअप लुक यू नो वो हम लोग में यूजुअली ये होता है कि when you go for bridal makeup it's very cakey it's a lot of layers of makeup and then you know completely
gold eyes or maroon
basically
and-
that is what really caught my
I think it was a
attention
breath of fresh air kind
in
of
fact अगर आप इस तरह के usually looks भी देखते हैं ना जहाँ पे you're going to more grayish ashy tones तो उसमें भी usually they go for like a very dark smoky eye with it तो ये वाला जो लुक थी मेकअप लुक आई थिंक इट वाज डिफरेंट एंड इट वाज वेरी
Refreshing,
सॉफ्ट
refreshing
हाँ
थी।
रिफ्रेशिंग एंड आई रियली लाइक दैट तो आई थिंक दिस इज व्हाट कॉट माय अटेंशन फरहीन एंड मी वर डिवाइडेड ओवर दैट
हाँ I didn't really like it मतलब मुझे लगा कि like for example there was Mancha Pash how can you end an episode without mentioning
हाँ
that?
she mandatory honorary mention
तो
होता है
अच्छा मुझे तो उनकी what caught my attention was a tattoo मुझे वो काफी वो लगा appealing
are you motivated now
I was just discussing it with a friend. I like Eamon ने मुझे motivate किया है. She's like कि मैं तुम्हें वो फलानी चीज़ बताती हूँ that you can get a tattoo, but still I think I'm a sucker for it.
मतलब दिल कर रहा है but I think you'll
दिल
just
करे पर वो मेरा ईमान खत्म है ना पर.
and also let's be honest you are scared of the pain
Absolutely.
दर्द नहीं होता
वो
जिस
जो
बात
सुइयां चुभने वाला होता है ना वो जो सुन के कुछ होता है.
I think जो आपको ज़िंदगी में चीज़ चाहिए होती है it comes with a price
And it comes with a lot of pain.
it's not painful I don't know I'm not the right person to comment on it because पिछली वीडियो पे इसने मुझ पे फतवा लगाया कि you
She
love
loves pain. She loves to be in pain.
तो हाँ
दिल
तो
का दर्द हो दिमाग का दर्द हो. You need
so हाँ,
something.
just that. So the third news that I was actually very excited about was कि Rabia Bhatt
हाँ.
she posted a video of her grandmother on her story जो कि सोनम बाजवा को विश कर रही
And that was adorable. She sent me the link and मुझे वैसे राबिया भट्ट personally मुझे राबिया भट्ट और सोनम बाजवा दोनों बहुत पसंद
Same.
है.
You know, I am literally known for my obsession with Sonam Bajwa because एक तो मैं पंजाबी इंडियन इंडस्ट्री को फॉलो भी करती हूँ. I really like her. वैसे भी her aesthetic is amazing.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Secondly, I think she has been very vocal about अगर आप पहले उनकी इंटरव्यूज वगैरह देखें तो she has been very vocal about how she was actually discriminated against in her own family because of her skin color. कि वो थोड़ा सांवला रंग है and you know
सोनम बाजवा का
I
सामने रंग
know
तो नहीं
right
है.
and even she was so she was like you know people used to really I think she's more on the tanner side but I think she's just perfect
She is हाँ she's beautiful. तो वो
stunning.
एक बहुत क्यूट सी वीडियो थी जो उन्होंने अपने अकाउंट पे पोस्ट की जिसमें वो
राबिया भट्ट की जो बेसिकली उनकी जो आई थिंक मैटरनल ग्रैंडमदर है वो उनको सोनम को ईद मुबारक विश करी थी एंड शी वाज लाइक कि पाकिस्तान कब आएंगी
सोनम ये मेरा एक खास पैगाम है पाकिस्तान कदों आएंगी
हाँ तो that was a very cute banter between
एंड
them.
the news here was कि सोनम said इस साल
इस साल
is Sal. So I'm really excited about that. Imagine my excitement. Never I'm known for my obsession with Sonam Bajwa because कहीं पे भी उसकी picture होती है, my friends think it's mandatory to tag me there.
Also, I think कि वो she's also vocal about all the right things. जो अभी जो sixth protest हुआ, she was very vocal about
farmers
it.
protest.
ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਸਟ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਪੀਸਫੁਲ ਇੰਨੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਹ ਬਾ ਕਮਾਲ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ
So I think that was a very brave. That was very brave from them. Not only her, बल्कि इसके अलावा नीरू बाजवा, Amy Virk, all of these Punjabi जो industry के थे, they were
stood up for it
for
और
against their
उन्होंने
own
आवाज़
government.
उठाई।
हाँ, and I think that was very brave of them.
हालांकि जो mainstream Bollywood celebs
They were
थे,
silent,
they were
exactly.
silent and they were like pro Modi, pro Modi type उनके statements थे, very neutral, very coward. So I think
हाँ, मैं वैसे भी
it takes guts. ना मुझे ये ख़वातीन में तो बहुत ज़्यादा नजर आया.
नीरू was like insanely वैसे भी खैर वो बहुत vocal है, लेकिन इसमें भी I thought her stance was very like unapologetic. Same with Sonam, so that made me more of a Sonam Bajwa fan. So I'm really excited if she comes to Pakistan. I'm going to go insane.
She's going to go insane. But if you get to meet her, you'd like faint or
Probably faint. I don't think I'll have a fan moment किसी और के साथ जितना I'll have with her, because you have no idea, I'm obsessed with her.
I think she's
Unhealthy
she
obsession.
has a beautiful dressing sense. वो भी पंजाबी. मुझे लगता है कि ईस्टर्न जो ड्रेसिंग है वो बहुत सारे लोग कैरी नहीं कर सकते.
I think, and what I like about her is she looks equally good in everything.
हाँ, ईस्टर्न हो या वेस्टर्न.
And there's a lot of personality there too, so I love her. I'm Sonam Bajwa. I can go on for this.
Okay, so the next news that we had was we were like Eamon found it, and she was so you were happy about it or sad, like or kind of surprised क्योंकि हमें we came across these pictures of Sanam Jung, जिन्होंने अपनी एक fragrance line start की है, and she had a beautiful photo shoot जो कि मुझे लगता है that was copied from international media, because
it's okay to take inspiration.
It wasn't inspiration, it was copying, man.
I don't know. I think
it was blatant copying.
मुझे तो खैर अच्छी लगती है क्या नाम है Sanam Jung, and I'm particularly excited, always excited about Pakistani launches, because I think
what's up with it that all the Pakistani actors and celebrities are having their own brands.
Isn't it good though?
And what do you want to say about their authenticity and how the products are?
I think बहुत से international brands जो हैं वो भी face.
नहीं, मुझे जो personally लगता है, मुझे लगता है कि there's some company who is launching a brand and then they hire these celebrities के आप अपना नाम हमारे साथ attach कर लें.
हो सकता है, that makes sense as well, because जिस तरीके से अगर आप जुनैद जमशेद को देखें तो Note is an existing company, but they are like kind of sold under Junaid Jamshed's name here, Note Cosmetics. So a lot of them. But मुझे जो अच्छी बात लगी थी, what I'm particularly excited about is एक तो पाकिस्तानी launches से मैं बहुत excited होती हूँ, because I'm someone who really likes makeup and all that. तो मुझे पाकिस्तानी कोई भी अगर आपको इस तरह का product मिलता है, it really excites me. We need to have options
Made
here.
at home.
हाँ, और secondly जब आप उसकी बात करें fragrances की थी, one thing that really caught my attention was the packaging. I think
the bottle was beautiful.
You have to agree, even the way it was displayed, minimalist vibe भी वहाँ पे थी, but at the same time I think
Sanam Jung really looked pretty, by the way, in the shoot. She looked stunning.
Ever since I was a little girl, I was obsessed with fragrances. The scent, the bottle.
She looks stunning always. But I think इसमें वाकई बहुत, क्योंकि वो minimalist makeup and very solid pieces and all that, it looked really nice. So I'm excited.
I think there were 3 to 4 bottles.
Three. She's coming up with 3.
अच्छा, fragrances से I think मुझे जो मेरे दिमाग में आता, that is Kardashians, to be very honest, because जिस तरह I want to meet their marketing team, क्योंकि the way they endorse their products, I think that is
अच्छा, I think the international market इतनी saturated है when it comes to beauty and all these products के सिर्फ किसी influencer या actor, actress, model का label होना important. It doesn't determine the success.
Exactly,
because Kim Kardashian came out with this makeup line, it wasn't a success. Because it didn't work. So if the product is not working, people won't spend that money on that.
कुछ ना कुछ वो launch करती रहती है अपने makeup product.
हाँ, collaboration.
अच्छा, इस पे जब ये आपने बात की ना, इसमें मुझे एक और बात याद आई कि I was Huda Beauty is a very well known and celebrated name. तो उसमें जो है Mona Katan, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. So she's a perfume enthusiast. So कुछ दिनों पहले उन्होंने Instagram पे अपनी stories post की जिसमें she has a complete laboratory where she makes perfumes. This is their level of obsession. I cannot expect this from Pakistani celebrities. मुझे नहीं पता कि उन्हें scents के भी नाम पता होंगे, to be very honest.
I think मुझे particularly I'm not bothered with them launching or coming out with fragrances या वो भी, मुझे मसला तब होता है when you are coming out with skincare products or makeup products, because वहाँ पे आपकी awareness of the ingredients is so important.
अच्छा, यार आयशा उमर ने भी तो की थी अपनी एक skincare product.
हाँ जी, I haven't tried it though. And also a lot of influencers जो आपके Instagram influencers हैं, they have come up with their products as well.
One is
Mariam Parvez came out with her eyeshadow palette recently.
हाँ, उसको तो मैंने काफी ज़्यादा उसमें देखा था.
हाँ, and then also
there's Sayyida Arooj Fatima, she also came with her toners और वो.
और हाँ, वहाँ पे मेरा concern होता है because जो आप स्किन पे लगाते हैं, it has consequences on your overall health. और वहाँ पे
plus यार मुझे तो इस पे इसलिए यकीन नहीं आता because influencer community, of course they're going to support their their peer. तो I have slight issues with the reviews.
No, but एक और चीज़ भी है, if you know that one of very popular जिसके millions of followers हैं, she came out, this makeup influencer, she came out with her multivitamins. And she was like, हाँ.
Who?
So Tati, if you have known, so she came out with that, and she still met a lot of criticism because they were like, are you eligible to do that?
Exactly.
तो पाकिस्तान के अंदर वो conversation नहीं होती है, but I think perfumes and scents are still a little safe
अच्छा
than
मुझे मरियम
makeup.
परवेज़ की controversy याद आ गई. What that was कि she was selling this mascara for 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees is like insanely low. Like a good mascara you cannot imagine कि आपको 1,000 रुपए में मिल जाएगा. That same mascara was available Alibaba पे, like literally $2 to $3.
Okay, Mariam का ये है कि Mariam people love her. You know, she I think hit 2 million recently on YouTube. That is
I think she's
insane for Pakistan.
she's cute. वो बहुत genuine है.
मुझे जो लगता है relatability का factor है. हाँ, because you know she's a mother and she's
देसी.
She
doesn't hide anything. She doesn't वो show off नहीं उसका
और
होता.
उनका content भी इस तरह का होता है, you know, daily I'm cooking this, I'm cooking that type. So you know she's keeping the
Small,
audience
cute
engaged,
videos.
but at the same time that's basically what we do.
I think हमारे masses जो हैं वो उनसे relate कर पाते हैं.
But one thing that I always had a problem with was her endorsement of whitening creams or her endorsement
अच्छा,
of
मैंने
really
तो-
questionable ingredients
मैंने
and suggesting
काफी
that to
time
people.
बाद
Actually.
जो है उन्हें follow करना
हाँ, but
start
I
किया
get
था.
why she's so loved because you know she resonates with a lot of people.
With a
and
lot of people,
women.
with a lot of middle class homes. मुझे तो उनका लगा क्योंकि
लेकिन हाँ, but I still think that you have a responsibility with your platform कि आप ऐसा ingredient suggest ना करो जिस पे already you know it's like you need to research a bit and
You know,
just get
I
to know
think
everything.
our influencer market has still a long way to go. We're still in the learning phase. हम वहाँ पे नहीं हैं. अब पाकिस्तान में तो वो होता जा रहा है.
I'm still tempted to get Mariam's palette though.
Really? Why?
Trial purposes. I get so many things for trial purposes. मुझे curiosity होती है कि you know how they are different from
What
all
do
the
you do after that? Use करके फिर?
पड़ी होती है.
I'm imagining you to be
You need
having
to
a
come.
jump.
You need to see my room honestly.
I do.
You need to see my room. So मुझे curiosity होती है. पाकिस्तानी product तो कोई आता है ना तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Like Sapphire came out with their lip liners की range. I'm actually wearing that today. इसके अलावा जुनैद जमशेद की I've tried almost all products.
Really?
Yeah. I end up doing that. बाकी Zoosh is one of my Pakistani favorite brands. उनके भी liquid lipsticks आए थे. I just get things for trial purposes.
हाँ हाँ.
But I think कि lipsticks इस तरह की चीज़ हैं जो आप फिर भी use कर सकते हैं. Eyeshadows can or cannot work वाला
eyeshadows
scene
आप
होता है.
कितने लगा लेंगे यार? छोटी सी आंखें कितने लगा लोगी तुम?
But at the same time, अगर वो formula it's not working, so you just don't feel like
I think
using
for a
it again.
person like me, one eyeshadow palette would last a lifetime.
It should last because you know आपकी कुछ इस तरह के अच्छे careful.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, Iman. That is exactly what I'm trying to tell you.
You know मेरा coping mechanism है आधी ज़िंदगी के मसाइल के साथ. I cannot abandon doing something I really like. And
My retail therapy है ना.
हाँ, very unhealthy. लेकिन मेकअप के साथ I think पाकिस्तानी launches should मतलब exciting होती हैं. You know that's what you know everyone was saying that for MTJ that you know you should support your own brand, so just be like that with all the other
So
entrepreneurs.
let's see MTJ. I'm waiting for the reviews. How people when and if they get their products because they were delayed and they were
हाँ,
delivery के
वो भी
मसले
काफी
मसाइल आ रहे थे,
discussion.
but people were like, hey, MTJ is just a name. MTJ ने खुद तो नहीं deliver करना. Like, okay, कितना कर लेंगे आप defend यार?
हाँ, but वो हमने तो वीडियो में promise किया था ना कि हम लोग will go for a shopping haul.
ये कहाँ है इनके outlets?
I think not here अभी तक.
Not in
It's just in
Islamabad, ना?
Karachi for now. But like अगर we get something.
जो मैंने उनकी वीडियोस देखी थी उनके लॉन्च पे तो लाइनें लगी थी लोगों की जो इनॉग्रेशन पे थे.
I really liked मैंने पहले ही बताया था the men range there, but the
हाँ, हाँ,
women too much.
That had some questionable aesthetics.
For me, I don't know everyone's
For
aesthetics
me as well,
very.
because it was too crumbled up.
हाँ, बहुत ज़्यादा busy prints थे. So we really loved discussing this honestly. It was really exciting.
What is like our thing.
So we'll just come back next week.
Come back next week with all the hottest and all the dresses that we loved and we think you should spend your money on.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
कैसी लगी आपको आज की वीडियो? Let us know in the comments bar below. And to see more of us, subscribe to more content.